Each one of us has the ability to make a difference.
At Wageningen University and Research, top scientists and students are working together to make a difference. As the call for a circular bio-based economy gets louder and louder, here we are working on solutions to make it a reality. Now we invite you to be part of the solutions. The world needs your crazy ideas.
In the ReThink Waste Challenge, we challenge you to come up with a business idea or a prototype that contributes to a circular bio-based economy. Will you pick up the gauntlet? It could be anything. A new material made out of biomass. A new technology to extract valuable products from biomass residue. Or services that bring a zero-waste future one step closer. Only your imagination and the sky are the limit.
This is your unique opportunity to create a positive impact, boost your career, and get a taste of what it means to be an entrepreneur. You will learn about circular bio-based economy, build your network, and develop entrepreneurial skills. And if you make it to the finals, you'll get the chance to win a prize worth 6,000 euros.
What idea will you contribute to a zero-waste future? Join the ReThink Waste Challenge now.